Dear students, in the last class we have discussed social impact of sex ratio, female feticide and infanticide. In this class we are going to discuss about population explosion and birth control. Population explosion, மக்கள் தொகை பெருக்கம், birth control, பிறப்பு கட்டுப்பாடு. So population explosion means the rapid increase in population over a relatively short period is called population explosion. So according to the recent report in UN, already we have reached 1.26 billion and is expected to become the largest country in population size. So surpassing China around 2022. So to overcome the problem of population explosion, so we have to find out one solution. What is the solution? Only birth control is the only available solution. Let us see what is birth control. Birth control method, otherwise called as contraceptive or contraception. So these methods are very much important in terms of our population, and then as that name indicate, to prevent conception or pregnancy without affecting the reproductive health. So the meaning is the regulation of conception by preventive methods or devices that limit the number of offsprings is called birth control or contraception. Let us see birth control methods. Basically there are two types, temporary method and then permanent birth control method. The temporary method is for married couples to temporarily decide not to have children for a specified period, that is called temporary method. And then permanent method, the individual who do not want to have any more children, so any more children, இதுக்கு பிறகு பேபி வேணாம்னு டிசைட் பண்ணுறவங்க இந்த மெத்தட் யூஸ் ஆகும். So let us see first temporary method. The temporary method, further there are two types, natural method and then barrier method. So first you will see natural method. The natural method, there are four types: periodic abstinence or rhythm method or safe period, continuous abstinence, third one is coitus interruptus, fourth one is lactational amenorrhea. Among these, first one, periodic abstinence and lactational amenorrhea, these both are very important in exam point of view. So first let us see periodic abstinence. So the periodic abstinence, ovulation occurs at about the 14th day of menstrual cycle. So coitus to be avoided during this time. So during 14th days the ovulation occur. So 2 days before that or 2 days after that, it considered as a safe period. So because after the ovulation within 24 hours fertilization does not occur, so the egg will rupture. This is the first type of natural method. And then we can see next method, continuous abstinence and coitus interruptus. So these two methods are very simple, so learn for yourself. We can move to next method, important method, lactational amenorrhea. So lactation means lactation period. Amenorrhea, A means absence or without, meno means menstrual. So absence of menstruation in the lactation period. Then usually the normal ovarian cycle may be delayed for 6 months during breastfeeding. So the delay in ovarian cycle is called lactational amenorrhea. So during breastfeeding, the pituitary gland during breastfeeding stimulate the pituitary gland to secrete increase prolactin hormone, and in order to increase milk production. So prolactin hormone increase ஆச்சுனாவே, so mammary gland stimulate பண்ணப்பட்ட milk production increase ஆகும். So this high concentration of prolactin hormone in the mother's blood may prevent menstrual cycle by suppressing gonadotrophic releasing hormone from hypothalamus and gonadotrophin hormone from pituitary. So these two hormones are releasing hormone. The GnRH, gonadotrophin releasing hormone, is responsible for release of FSH. சரியா எழுதல, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and LH hormone from anterior pituitary gland. So these hormones are very important for ovulation. So இந்த ரெண்டு ஹார்மோனும் சப்ரஸ் ஆகிறதுனால இங்கே நேச்சுரலாகவே இந்த தடைப்படுறது, அதாவது நேச்சுரல் மெத்தட், நேச்சுரல் birth control method, one of the important method, lactational amenorrhea. Then we can move to barrier methods. So the barrier method usually, so in this method sperm and ovum are prevented from meeting physically. So usually the sperm and ovum they find and coming to meet each other. So there will be a barrier in between sperm and ovum. So many barriers are there, we are going to see later. Chemical barrier, mechanical barrier, hormone barrier, intrauterine devices barrier. So due to this presence of barrier, they will not able to fuse together. So if there is no fusion, there is no fertilization. So this is called barrier method. First you will see chemical barrier. Here they are using chemical. The chemical agent that inactive the sperm activity in the vagina, and then mechanical barrier. Here example condom, etc. And third method hormonal barrier. So here hormone தடைப்படுது, FSH hormone, LH hormone. So here oral contraceptive, oral means mouth. So they are taking tablet, contraceptive tablet through oral mouth. So pills means here tablet, contraceptive tablets. So pills are used to prevent ovulation by inhibiting the secretion of FSH and LH hormone. See here, as I told you earlier, lactational amenorrhea சொல்லிருக்கேன். So இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க அதே மாதிரி தான், here also FSH and LH hormone inhibiting, so prevent ovulation. Okay, so next method, intrauterine devices. This is very important method. Here intra means within, uterus means uterus. So these are devices insert the uterus, that's why you can call it as intrauterine devices. So in the device வந்து uterusல insert பண்றதுனால intrauterine devices னு சொல்றோம். So here these devices are inserted in the uterus of female reproductive tract, only insert of female reproductive tract. Okay, so here example, here there are three types of devices: copper releasing IUDs, hormone releasing IUDs, non-medicated IUDs. There are three types of IUDs are there. So we will see one by one. First one is copper releasing IUDs. Here example, copper T380A. Here I have to mention right here A. Copper T380A, Nova T, CUT 380AG, and Multiloid 375. These are trade names. Here copper T, the device release a small amount of copper in the uterus. So small amount of copper is released in the uterus. So here Cu, copper mentioned here, copper T, the device is like T shape, so we can call it as copper T. They are all 380, these are all trade names. And then why here we are using here copper? So copper nature enna, because of basically attract phagocytic cells. The copper வந்து basically enna pannuna, attract phagocytic cells. Phago means engulf, cytic means cells. So phagocytic cells attract பண்ணக்கூடிய capacity இந்த காப்பருக்கு இருக்கு. ஸோ லைக் WBC இந்த மாதிரி செல்லாம் அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். இந்த செல்ஸ்லாம் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா basically kill and affect the mortality of sperm. So suppress the sperm mortality or kill the sperm. Okay, and then simply copper act as spermicide, அதாவது sperm கொல்லக்கூடிய, kill the sperm within the uterus. Next we will see hormone releasing IUDs. Here progestastat and LNG-20. LNG means levonorgestatad, progestatad and levonorgestatad 20. So here they increase the viscosity of cervical mucus and thereby prevent sperms from entering the cervix. Then here increase the viscosity of the cervical mucus and thereby prevent sperm from entering the cervix. So cervix is one of the narrow parts of the narrow portion of the uterus. So inga ஒரு வழவழப்பான ஒரு திரவத்தை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறதுனால so prevent sperm from entering the cervix. And then non-medicated IUDs. Here lip loop is a double S-shaped plastic device use பண்றாங்க. So these are all things. Listen. So one match the following question is asked for the last annual exam from this topic. Here, see here, this is the question: copper releasing IUD, hormone releasing IUD, non-medicated IUD, mini pills. And here LNG-20, lip slope IUD, Sahali and Multiloid 375. Here you have to match. Here mini pills I didn't teach you. Mini pills type of Sahali, this is a trade name recommended by Central Government of India. Other these three things I already taught you. Just try to match this following. Next we can move to permanent birth control method. There are two types. So permanent birth control method, these are terminal method used by male and female to prevent any more pregnancy. So in this method permanently block gamete transfers. Permanently block gamete transfer. So the permanent birth control method, otherwise called as surgical sterilization method. So I will explain with the diagram. So there are two methods. One is tubectomy. Tubectomy. Tube now fallopian tube, here mentioned fallopian tube. So the tubectomy is a surgical sterilization method. Surgical sterilization in women. In women la பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு method. In this method a small portion of both fallopian tubule, here left and right side, this is fallopian tubule, both fallopian tubule are cut and tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. Okay, so small surgery பண்ணி இந்த ரெண்டு சைடுலயும் both fallopian tube கட் பண்ணி டைட் பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay, so அப்போ என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? So the gamete not transfer, the gamete cannot transfer to uterus. இந்த female gamete egg வந்து transfer ஆக முடியாது எங்க uterusக்கு. As well as male gamete also cannot transfer, இங்க fallopian tube போக முடியாது. So இந்த fertilization தடுக்கப்படுது. Okay, so fertilization will not occur here. This is called tubectomy. So tubectomy is a surgical sterilization in women. In this method a small portion of both fallopian tubule cut and tied up through the small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. That is called tubectomy. Next, here vasectomy. Vas means vas difference. So here the male gametes are produced in the testis in the seminiferous tubule. Now how the male gamete transport outside of the body? Only through vas difference. So both vas difference. Here the vasectomy in male. Vasectomy is the surgical process for male sterilization. In this method, both vas difference are cut பண்ணிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, tied through a small incision on the scrotum to prevent the entry of sperm into the urethra. ஓகே, இங்கேருந்து டெஸ்டிஸ்லேருந்து ஸ்பெர்ம் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகிட்டு வாஸ் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வழியாக வரணும். இங்கே கட் பண்ணுறதுனால இங்கே யூரித்ராவுக்கு வர முடியாது. ஸோ இங்கே பிளாக் பண்ணிடுறாங்க. ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் வாசெக்டோமி. ஸோ லிசன் ஹியர். Tubectomy means the surgical sterilization in women. Small portion of both fallopian tubes are cut and tied. Vasectomy, next vasectomy, surgical sterilization in men. Both vas deferens are cut and tied. Okay students, this is very important topic. So இன்னைக்கு நடத்துனதெல்லாம் இன்னைக்கு முடிச்சிருங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.